Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So yesterday we have done the Nifty analysis and I have posted video just after the market. So I have done the recording yesterday in the market hours and I have posted, and clearly I stated that Nifty will go and test 25,888 when you see a big candle formed. So when there is no follow-up, there are high chances that market is going to recover. So today we have seen that with very big gap up even in Nifty, even in Bank Nifty. So these are the trend lines, all the lines which we have drawn yesterday. So we already discussed in Bank Nifty. So we should not be going short unless and until it is not closing below 57k. If in case if it closed below this, we discussed our target is 54,500. Until the market is above this zone 57,600, we thought we should be with the bullish bias based on our setups. But today is the mother of gap ups in our Indian market. So you might have not seen this level of gap up in the Indian market in recent days, at least in over past 5-6 years. You would have not seen this level of gap up happen. And we also discussed in Bank Nifty the target will be high of this candle, but today market opened way above this target. So even in Nifty and Bank Nifty, whatever we have discussed, market has opened way above. So and also we have analyzed in weekly time frame, daily time frame, and we have also decided in Nifty that this candle is acting as a supply zone. Okay, so this is the first when this candle is created. So we got a selling from here from the top, again market went here, again went here, triple top formation we have seen in Nifty, and again today market opened at the same level. So it have made just merely a new all-time high today. So today again we got a selling from this zone itself. Until and unless a strong weekly candle or daily candle is not closing above this level, okay, what is that level? Above 26,277. So you can treat it as 26,300 level. Unless and until a strong candle is not getting closed above this level, we might see this kind of selling continuing in Nifty. Okay, so now we have this much of big gap. So now all the premiums in options, so all the premiums got fluctuated, either it is call, put, anything, even in stocks. So you have to wait at least 1 or 2 days for all the premiums to settle. So with the greedy, you should not jumping into the trades. Let market decide the direction. Once the direction is decided, then we can start accumulating stocks in case if we have something in our portfolio, or if we wanted to take any new stock. So wait for the dip in the market. So now you have missed the opportunity. The opportunity was here to enter at this zone. So now we have missed that opportunity. People who have not entered here, you have missed that opportunity. Market have already moved from this zone. If I count, market has already moved 7%, 1700 points in Nifty. When I see it in Bank Nifty, it will be way more than that. So in Bank Nifty, when I see here from this low to here, it is also close to 7%, almost 3,962. We can say 4,000 points. So already 1700 points movement happened in Nifty and movement happened in Bank Nifty. So now for at least 2-3 days, at least this week, the market will be in seller control because of the rise in the option premiums. So everybody look to sell now until and unless premiums are settled. We don't see directional move at the moment in the market. You might see some movement here and there in some of the stocks, but when we talk purely about Nifty and Bank Nifty index, so we might not see a directional movement. You have to wait for a couple of days for the premiums to settle. Then you should think of taking positions in intraday also, not only positional. Now what will be our plan in Nifty and Bank Nifty? It is as simple as that. So let's decode this in 1 hour time frame. So when I decode in 1 hour time frame, I have an important level here at 25,543. In case market gives a dip till this level 25,543 and it is creating a 15 minutes candle. Okay, in case if market gives a dip and when it creates a solid 15-minute candle closing here, so a green candle should close above this level. The candle can be this way and hammer candle, or it can be a candle in case some dip comes and again it come back and close above this level, or a candle can be like this above this level. What is our level is 25,543. Let us wait for market to come here. In case if you are seeing any of these candles, hammer candle or full body candle above this level in 15 minutes time frame, a green candle, so below that level we can keep our SL and we can think of going long. So now our targets will be again same 25,888 in case if market comes here, or else we should wait for this level to be broken, which is 25,852 888 zone. This level have to be broken. So I will write here again, new trades are above 25,850, 25,850 to 25,888. So we should wait patiently for this level to break. Then only we can think of new trades either in intraday or positional, or else we have to wait for a dip till 25,543 level. 25,543 level. At this zone, if you are seeing any of these three candlestick patterns, full body candle closing above this level, or a hammer kind of candle, or a candle with a small wick should also suffice. 70% you should have a body in the candle, 25% can be a wick. Then you can think of going long in Nifty by keeping that candle low as stop loss. So in 1 minute time frame, 3 minute time frame, people whoever trading, obviously you don't need all these levels. Based on your setup, you can trade either upside, downside within 1 minute, 3 minutes time frame. But people who wanted to capture good movement, at least you have to trade on 15 minutes time frame to capture at least that 150 to 50 points. So for that you have to patiently wait for the dip to this level or breakout of this level. In this between these levels, this is a seller's market. Okay, so this is about Nifty. When coming to Bank Nifty, now we are near support. Okay, in Bank Nifty we are near support. As we know, when a support is broken, earlier this was acting as a resistance, this trend line. Why I am saying resistance is, this is one time rejection, second time we got confirmation of rejection, third time people who know the concepts of trading trend line, they are going to enter here, and here we have seen the pattern also. Two doji candles, breakdown of this doji, that is a fall, and we have reached the bottom of the trend line. Now again we are trading above the trend line at the moment. In till we are above this trend line, we can be positive in Bank Nifty. Either you have to, today only you got an entry in Bank Nifty when this candle got created. Okay, so this is where our entry is in Bank Nifty. This will be our SL in Bank Nifty, people who know this concept and who have traded today. But in case if new people who wanted to take new trades, either wait for dip to this level again, let it create a hammer candle here, okay, or else let it create a full body candle here, or else let it create a 70% body with small wick. This should also suffice. So in case if you are seeing any of these three candlestick patterns at this trend line, the level which I say is 59,900 to 940 level is your key. 59,900 level, okay, to 940 level. So this is our key level in Bank Nifty to watch. Below this level, again we will come back into this zone. So we might trade here in this zone for some time. When you see a breakout again above this trend line, above this level, then we can think of going long in Bank Nifty. Whenever the breakout is happening on 15 minutes time frame, that candle low always you can keep SL and you can look for 1:2, 1:3 target. And the other scenario in Bank Nifty is wait for this level to break out. So this level is 60,266. So 60,266 is the level where you can wait for a breakout. If you are seeing a breakout tomorrow, so based on whichever candle is breaking out this level, you can keep that candle low as an SL and you can target this candle high at least. Okay. If not, this is the ultimate target. If not, you don't want it to wait till this high, you can take 50% of this candle. Okay, the immediate target you can look for this zone. This is a zone where you can look for the immediate target and the level is 60,888 level. Okay, I will write down level here, 60,888 level. You can look for the target, immediate target, and the ultimate target will be this candle high, which is 61,766. Okay, this is your second target, 61,766. First target is 60,888. Second target is 61,766. When you are looking for a breakout of this zone, on the breakout, if you are entering, this is your first target, this is your second target. If you are entering in the dip when the candle is creating at this level 59,900 to 940, your first target will be 60,266, second target will be this, and third target will be this. Hope people who have watched yesterday's video, they would have benefited from that, and I will keep posting such kind of videos when I see important levels in the market. But daily you will be getting Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis based on whatever I understand when I see Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. So here the disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered analyst, and this analysis is based on purely my knowledge. Take this video as an educational purpose and I am not giving any buy sell recommendations here. So in case you wanted to take any trades in any index or stocks, please contact your advisor, SEBI registered advisor, and based on that you can take entries. This levels, all these things you can treat it for educational purpose and you do your analysis as well at your end. So these are the levels which I am seeing at my end that will act as an important levels for stop loss targets, all those things. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hit that like button. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Let us grow together. Thank you everyone.